In the heart of the dense Congolese rainforest, where the sun dared not pierce, there lived a mystical creature, the Okapi. Known as the forest's ghost, this unique creature was a walking riddle, one part zebra, one part giraffe, and wholly enigmatic. One day, the Okapi encountered a weary traveler, lost in the labyrinthine forest. The traveler, seeking his way, approached the Okapi, hoping for guidance. The Okapi, with its wise eyes, saw the traveler's despair and decided to share a secret. "Follow the river, and you will find the path," the Okapi said. Its voice is melodious as the forest's rustling leaves. The traveler, filled with hope, set off, following the river's winding course. Days turned into nights, and nights into days, but the traveler found no path. He was ready to give up, when he came upon a fork in the river. On one side, the water flowed smoothly, while on the other, it was turbulent and swift. The traveler, uncertain, looked back at the Okapi's image, a distant memory in the dense forest. "Which way?" he called out, his voice echoing through the trees. The Okapi, from the depths of the forest, replied, "Choose the path that scares you, for it is there you will find growth." With a deep breath, the traveler chose the turbulent path. It was difficult, and at times, he thought he could not continue, but each step brought him closer to the light. As he emerged from the forest, he found himself at the edge of a vast, open plain. In the distance, he saw the village he had been seeking, a beacon of hope. The journey had been challenging, but the traveler realized that the Okapi's wisdom was not about the path, but about the choices he made along the way. Choices that shaped him, molded him, and led him to his destination. And so, the traveler carried the Okapi's enigma with him, a reminder that the most significant journeys are not about finding the way, but about the choices we make on our path to discovery.